No Kimchi for Me by Aram Kim. It's time for lunch. Yumi loves Grandma's dried seaweed, tiny anchovies, soft egg omelets, even her seasoned bean sprouts. But Yumi does not like stinky, spicy kimchi. You can't eat it because you're a baby, says June. Only big kids eat kimchi, says Yoon. I'll show them. Oh no. Yuck. Baby, baby, the brothers tease. After lunch, June and Yoon don't let Yumi play. This game is not for babies. No fair, Yumi says. Not for babies. I'm not a baby, says Yumi, and I can prove it. Uh-oh. Yumi has an idea. First, she tries to hide some kimchi on a chocolate chip cookie. That doesn't work. Then she tries to hide some on a slice of pizza. That doesn't work either. Ice cream doesn't work either. Ah, I hate kimchi, shouts Yumi. Grandma has a plan. They chop, pour, break, add, stir, and cook. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Yoon smells something delicious. What's that? Asks Yoon. June smells it too. What's that? Asks June. It's a kimchi pancake. For our big girl, Grandma says. Yumi puts the fork to her mouth. I can do this, she says. Still spicy, she says. Gulp. But yummy. The end. About kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made of fermented vegetables and seasonings. The most popular kimchi is made of Napa cabbage and seasoned with salt, red chili pepper, garlic, ginger, and other spices. Kimchi is considered one of the world's healthiest foods. It is eaten as a condiment or side dish and is also used as an ingredient in stew, soup, fried rice, and of course, pancakes. How to make kimchi pancakes. Ingredients: 2 cups chopped kimchi, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup cold water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 egg. Optional: 1/2 cup pork or squid, cooked and finely chopped. Optional: chopped onions. Directions: 1. Place all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. 2. Grease a large frying pan with a generous amount of oil and heat over medium-high. 3. Spread the batter thinly in the pan and cook for 2 minutes. 4. When the bottom of the pancake gets golden brown and crispy, turn it over and cook for another 2 minutes. 5. Enjoy together with family and friends. Tips: 1. Use sour kimchi for kimchi pancakes, not freshly made kimchi. 2. If you are using packaged Korean pancake mix, all you need is the mix, kimchi, and water. 3. Kimchi pancakes are delicious with mozzarella cheese on top. Yum. The author thanks her mother, Yoon Suk Lee, for her kimchi pancake recipe.